All right, so I'm going to show you in this video how to install the super trend indicator. So the first step is you click indicators at the top, then you're going to go down and click the yellow button indicator store. Then up here where it says search by name, click and type in SUPER, super, and click enter. Here you see the super trend. Click there, then click install free. Now you're going to click OK. Now you have the super trend installed. Now go ahead and click the X on the top right to close this window. Now to add the super trend to any chart, you have to go to Indicators tab, then go under Trend, you'll see Super Trend. Click there, then just click Apply, and there we go. You have the Super Trend indicator on the chart. So now we just go over to another market pair, and now we can do the same steps. So go over to Indicators, under Trend, click Super Trend, and click Apply. There we go. That's how you add the Super Trend indicator to your chart.